Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell on MetaTrader 5. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaTrader 5 platform on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Now after logging in, you will be taken into the quotes tab, which you can also access by tapping on it at the bottom left corner. Now from the quotes menu, you will see various different currencies and their movement within the market. Just tap on any currency that you wish to buy or sell, and then you can tap on New Order. From the New Order page, you can add various different options such as deviation, your stop loss, and other settings. Now in order to buy, you can tap on the buy option at the right side, and if you wish to sell, then you can tap on the sell option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy and sell on the MetaTrader 5 platform. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.